Viewers, welcome to ICT Tube. Today I'll show how to change your PC to dark theme. Actually, dark theme is useful for night time. If you use your PC at night, then it will be help on it. So let's move on how to change your theme to dark theme. Welcome back, viewers. As I said earlier that I'll show how to change your PC to dark theme. So if you want to make your PC in dark theme, you have to go to the start button, click on start button and go to the settings and please select the personalization. Click on this and select the color from the left side. Select color and scroll down. You can see choose your default app mode. Is it light? You have to change it to dark mode. Just click on dark mode radio button. Yeah, your PC is fully dark mode now. All app will be supported with this. And okay, you can see this is in dark mode. Everything in dark mode. This is the background page, so it will not dark. You can see the title bar or the URL or search button. Is everything in dark mode. So you can use dark mode because to save your eyes. Because if you use normal mode in night time, then RGB, red, green and blue is harmful for our eyes, so you have to avoid to save your eye. So thank you very much for watching this video. And another information is that if you did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe and you can press the bell icon for next video.